There was a pond in which there were many frogs living. The hero of our story was a frog who had a dream of climbing the mountain because he knew that's what's going to make him happy. The other frogs in the pond, they tried to bully him and tell him that that's not possible. One of them said it's never been done before. The other frog said that you're going to die trying attempting this. Another one just laughed, thinking that this hero frog had gone crazy. Nevertheless, our frog, the hero of the story, still did it. Why? Because he was deaf. Two things to take away from the story. One, turn a deaf ear to negative people. Take constructive criticism, but don't fall prey to negative people. Second, your heart knows what you truly want. So plan and move in that direction. Forget about the others.